statements. I do not like chocolate. Okay? So negation is just going to be adding another not in it, or writing the opposite. But I'm not going to say I do not like chocolate, so we're just going to say I do like chocolate. So negation is just the opposite. For here, we have 2x plus 5 is equal to 9. So read that again, 2x plus 5 is equal to 9. So if I wrote that out, I would have is equal to 9. So instead of is equal to 9, I would put is not equal to 9. But how do I make this into notation? So I don't want to write this back out and put it in words. I want it in math notation as well. So 2x plus 5 is not equal, is the symbol right here, to 9. Okay, draw and label 4 triangles. In one, draw a median. In another, draw an angle bisector. In the third triangle, draw a perpendicular bisector. In the last triangle, draw an altitude and label each special segment. Okay, so we're going to draw the first triangle. And it says, in one, draw a median. So your median is when you have an angle that goes down and it cuts this to where this segment, let's turn this to red, this segment is congruent to that segment. So that one is your median. So in another triangle, draw an angle bisector. So if I had another triangle, we can make these random triangles, and I wanted to cut this angle or bisect it. So how would I do that? I would have to draw the angle here, and I don't care about where the sides are, but this is going to be congruent to that, which in turn means this is congruent to this as well. So here, this is your angle bisector. In the third triangle, draw a perpendicular bisector. So if I went back to this triangle basically, and we're thinking of like an isosceles triangle, a perpendicular bisector would be when I draw the line, not only does it make 90 degrees, but it makes this angle congruent to this angle. So this is your perpendicular bisector. In the last triangle, draw an altitude and label each special segment. So the last triangle, an altitude would be when I'm dropping the 90 degrees. I'm not saying anything about the perpendicular bisector, so if I made another weird triangle, where I would want to drop this is when these. So this one right here, oh, that was bad. Let's redo that. So this and that one are from, these are your perpendicular bisectors. Or, sorry, altitude. So these are your